Hey friends, it's JW here from Beaver Toyota with some really exciting news. Our Black Friday Silent Sale is on one more time, and this year is bigger and better than ever. We have hundreds of vehicles that will be on sale for you to choose from. Here's how it works. Thanksgiving Day, there will be no salespeople, no sales managers, and no staff here. But what we will have is the gates open and hundreds of vehicles for you to browse. Each of those vehicles will be hang tagged with our silent sale prices. This price will be the lowest we can sell that vehicle for. Find your vehicle, see your price, and be back Friday morning starting at 6 a.m. to be the first to purchase that vehicle at the lowest price. To top it off, the first 25 customers who purchase on Black Friday will receive their choice of a 55-inch TV or an Apple iPad. Because these prices are so low, we have to remove the hang tags and our super low prices by noon on Black Friday. So be here early. Even if you are not in the market for a vehicle, but know someone who is, I'm paying a $300 referral bonus for Black Friday only. Send me their name and number to schedule an appointment before Thursday, and if they purchase from us, I'll send you a check for $300. Last year we sold 72 cars on Black Friday. Our customers got crazy deals, and we paid out thousands of referral fees. This sale is going to be huge. Don't miss it.